is up, Brent here. We have a surprise for the girls. That's why I'm in my bedroom. I'm trying to be quiet. But we have decided to add to the family. No, we're not having a baby. But we have decided that we are going to get another dog. And I'm going to document the girls' reactions. The wife, we told the girls that she was going to the store, which she is, but she's also going to get the newest edition. It is a female, they call them double doodle. The mother is Labradoodle, Golden Doodle, and sorry, that was close. She just busted in here, messed up my intro and everything. Anyway, the mother is Golden Doodle, Labradoodle, and the father is just a standard poodle. And apparently, those are called double doodles. I don't know much about it. All I know is that it will be a good investment because we're going to have a ton of memories, and since both of our dogs are purebred females, they will also be able to have some puppies for us to sell one day in the future. Hopefully you guys will notice how cute these dogs are, and one day in the near future you will want one of your own from us. Anyway, stay tuned. Riley, come here. Get Boston. I want y'all to stand right there. Hurry, get Boston.
Boston, come here.
Stand right there by the couch. No, this side. Right there. Because, come here, stand by your sister.
Is she home?
Stand by your sister. Okay? Call Kona. Call Kona.
Come here. Who's here?
Huh?
She seems suspicious. Who's here?
Do what? Just
Excuse
wait.
me.
Just wait. Okay? Just wait.
Who's here?
Don't move.
Who's here? I'm scared, Daddy. Who's
Don't be
here?
scared.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Just stand right there.
Who's here? Is that a puppy? Oh my God! Oh, we got a puppy! I'm gonna cry.
What is it, Boston?
Can I hold her?
Just a
I'm
minute.
crying. Can I hold her?
Look how cute she is.
I know we had a girl. I know
Her name
we
is
had a
Kai.
Oh, that's such a cute name.
Her name is Kailua,
Kailua.
but we're gonna call her Kai.
She's so
Pet
cute.
her.
Look how
your fingernails are
precious.
so pink.
What do you think, Kona?
What is that, Kona?
Kona, you have a friend.
Can I hold it?
No, she has a baby.
Can I hold it?
Oh my goodness,
Can I
I
hold
know.
it?
Hold
Oh
on,
my
baby. She's a little bit scared.
Oh, look
Here.
at Kona.
What is it, Kona?
Kona can say hi. We're gonna
Oh.
save that bed for that dog. Can I hold her? Can I?
Yeah, hold on 1 minute, okay?
Oh, she's so cute.
Yeah. Look, Kona. What is it?
You have a friend.
Now she has a baby.
What do you think, Boston?
I didn't
She
know Daddy
has
was
a
gonna
baby.
let us get one.
To have a baby
Daddy
now?
was totally
Stop.
against
Can I
it.
hold her?
We got a baby now?
Please, can I have a hold?
Will this do for a baby sister?
More coming.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. Just like that, we are officially a family of 6. Family of 6. Me and the missus, 2 daughters, 2 dogs. And once again, extremely outnumbered. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed that. The excitement was real on the girls' faces, and I'm excited too. Her name is Kailua. She will officially go by Kai, and I will keep documenting as we go. If you like that, I know it's been a while because of all the pandemic stuff, but my last few videos have been dealing with school stuff, you know, lesson plans for my kiddos and stuff like that. But I will try to make some more videos about the adventures of the Anderson life. If you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, leave a comment. I appreciate all you guys do. Like always, pura vida. Until next time.